Guys, my name is Yug Patel and I am going to tell something new. I do not repeat the terms, but I am going to tell something interesting. You know about amygdala, you know about the prefrontal cortex, you know about basal ganglia. So I do not repeat that term. But you are thinking why I explain this type of term, because I want to develop a killer mindset. And I also want you to develop your killer mindset. I also try to become a killer mindsetter and achieve that खतरनाक वाला माइंडसेट. तो आपको सबको पता ही होगा प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स क्या होता है, बेसल गैंग्लिया क्या होता है और अमेगडाला क्या होता है. अदर चीज़ें मैं आपको इजीली समझा दूंगा, जैसे सेलिन्स नेटवर्क क्या होता है. व्हाट इज सेलिन्स नेटवर्क? सेलिन्स नेटवर्क कुछ नहीं होता, बहुत ईजी होता है कि ये आपके गोल को फोकस करने में हेल्प करता है. ये आपके अटेंशन को डायरेक्ट करने में हेल्प करता है कि भैया आपका अटेंशन कहाँ जाना चाहिए, वेयर और अटेंशन इज गोइंग ऑन, वेदर इट इज इन राइट डायरेक्शन और रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. It helps to direct you in a straight and forward direction where your goal is, and it also direct you that it also give you a feedback that is it deserved by you or not. If not, he try to work on it. वो आपको वर्क कराएगा. कॉग्निटिव ओवरलोड कि भाई हम स्टिम्युलस से घिरे हुए हैं, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टिम्युलस. देन attention inertia. What is attention inertia? Attention inertia is like scrolling the shorts for an hour. Momentum trap. ये आपको पता ही नहीं है आपके कितने घंटे चले गए. How many hours you are wasting in your phone? You do not know about this. Then default mode network. It is your when you rest, this system activated. Why this system activated? Because of overthinking, because of daydreaming. It activates this type of small thing that distract in your goal. So you have to reduce this. Another is cognitive control. Cognitive control is override button. What is override button? You are not feeling any type of emotion in doing the work. It means if you given a task but you do not feel any type of, you do not feel any emotions, or you think like I have to do the task, so I do whatever thing to done that task. Feeling is nothing for me. This is your cognitive control. Then reward prediction error. You are predicting the reward and you are setting your goal. Other is task switching कॉस्ट. इट मीन्स यू आर स्विचिंग योर टास्क, कि तुम अपने टास्क को स्विच करते रहते हो. डू नॉट स्विच योर टास्क. इफ यू आर स्विचिंग योर टास्क, इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट स्टिक टू योर गोल्स, और इट डू नॉट हेल्प इन योर लॉन्ग टर्म, do not help in your future and long term. Goal shielding. It means focus on one goal, and it is your mental firewall where other goal are irrelevant and one goal is relevant for you. फिर आता है implementation intention. It means you are switching your bad or distracting thing to a good distracting things. It means if you are craving for watching a reels, you convert it into the podcast, or you decide, you pre-program decision, your pre-program decision, कि तुमने pre-program कर रखा है अपने decisions को. You are pre-programming your decision. पहले से तुमने अपने program को pre-decide करके रखा है. If I feel this, I do this. If I feel this, I do this. If I want to meet my girlfriend, I take an example, don't take seriously. If I want to meet my girlfriend, so I switch it to my best friend. I talk to my best friend, because this is a distracting, your girlfriend, but your friend is not distracting. It helps to increase your serotonin. I know everyone knows about serotonin. Then mental contrasting. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to imagine it. If you imagine and work on it, you get success. 100% sure, I bet you. Last one is effort discounting. What is effort discounting? Effort discounting is why I would choose the work or hard work, not work, sorry for that, hard work. Why should I do hard work, because your brain do not like hard work. The brain like comfort. So break that task or the goal in chunks, in small chunks, and try to achieve that small chunks. If you achieve that chunks, your confidence increase and you will step towards your goal. If you think like I have to jump, let's imagine there is a staircase, and if you think I want to go upstairs directly, it is not possible. You have to go or go step by step, like this, not this. Okay, not directly, gradually. So it is like this effort discount, because your brain doesn't like hard work. You have to break down into small chunks, then achieve it. And when confidence increase, that confidence drive you towards the goal. If you like my video, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Bye bye.